On behalf of the Wharton student body, I welcome you to this Friday morning session of the 17th Annual Wharton Healthcare Business Conference. The theme for this year's conference is Leadership in an Evolving Global Market. It is our hope that this conference will serve as a dynamic forum to freely exchange ideas, to build personal and professional relationships. The actual theme for this year's conference is Leadership in an Evolving Global Market. Basically looking at primarily not only what is happening in the United States, but also looking abroad too. Every year we open it up to the students. And we ask them what specifically they want from this healthcare conference, because at the end of the day, it's driven by the first-year students who are joining us. And we've got a great team. And basically what they came back and said to us is we want something global, we want new networking opportunities, we want to be able to bring in a different perspective for the closing session. And so we were able to do that through networking by actually having both on-site and off-site networking, but we also were able to broaden our sponsors. Typically over the last several years, we've really focused on pharmaceuticals, medical device companies, consulting. We really broadened out to your payers, your hospitals, and also the financial services to bring in more people to kind of bring their expertise in.
Healthcare is going global, and Wharton's the first business school in the United States to really grow globally with the healthcare industry. Our students thrive at the intersection of entrepreneurship and finance. You know, taking capital and deploying it in rather imaginative ways, innovative ways, oftentimes in partnerships with other companies or in startups, or gleaning important ideas about unmet medical needs or unmet clinical needs, and then getting the capital to address those needs. And our students from our program do really well. Healthcare is what we call a value chain of activity, spanning from the people who pay to the people who provide to the people who produce healthcare products. They all need to be linked together and interconnected in ways that add value across that value chain. So this conference provides an opportunity for them to get to know one another and develop relationships, partnerships, affiliations. There was an article in last week's Financial Times Wall Street Journal talking about the growing interest of healthcare in MBA programs. So it's a growth industry. It's a growth industry in business schools because it's a growth industry in general.